Good morning. Today is day 3 in our packet. As always, don't forget you can always pause the video and rewatch a part, or pause the video and complete some work and then press play to continue watching. Materials needed: a quiet place to work, your English packet with your day 3 pages ready to go, some crayons, and a pencil. If you do not have all of those materials, please pause the video and collect your materials. Great, now that we're ready, we're going to work on our next power word. So our power word today is went. Please write your name on the line. Great job. So now our first section is trace and write. So as I said before, we're going to trace each letter and say the letter name. And then when we're done writing the whole word, we're going to say the word. This will help us practice our power word over and over again. W-E-N-T. Make sure you're starting at the top of your letter and going down when you write. Always starting at the top. Let's do the next one. W-E-N-T. Went. Now we're going to write it all by ourselves on the lines. W-E-N-T. Went. W-E-N-T. Went. Next is color. Color in your letters while saying the letters. W-E-N-T. Went. The next section is fill in the missing letters. So let's look at the first one. Our letters for went are W-E-N-T. So let's see. W-E-N-T. Oh, I know that W is missing. And now you're going to do the next 3 words. Okay. So let's see. We have W blank and T. E W blank and T. E W E blank T. N. Now we need to spell out our word. Remember, when forming your letters in this word, we have some shorter words that only go up to the plain line. And then we have one letter that starts all the way at the skyline and comes down. So let's write our letters. W-E-N-T. Next, we're going to find and circle. So I'm going to read all these words with you, and you're going to circle them if they say went. This word says what. Our power word today is went. The next word is went. That. Went. So again, you should be circling the wents. This word right here is went. What? That. That. Want. How. That. Want. Went. What? Went. Went. Great job. The next section says read and find went. So let's read the sentences. I went to school. Find the word went in that sentence and circle it. I went to school. In the next sentence, they went to the park. Okay, last box for went is to write your own sentence using went. Okay, our second page for day number 3 is said. Again, I want you to write your name at the top. All right, our first section again is to trace and write. And then you need to color the word. So I'm going to remind you of 2 things and then you can pause the video. So make sure as you're writing each letter, you're saying the letter S, A, I, D, and then you have to read the whole word, said. So go ahead and pause your video and complete the trace and write and the color. And when you're done, press the play button so we can continue on. Okay, now that you have completed the trace and write and color, now we have a different section. This says clap it. So we have to think about how many syllables are in the word said. So get your hands ready. We're going to clap it out. Ready? We're going to say the word and clap. Said. How many times did we clap? Only 1. So we're going to color in the box that says 1. Okay, next section is spell it. So again, we're going to write 1 letter in each box and say the letter. So S, A, I, D. And then read the whole word. Said. Now it's time to find and circle. I'm going to read the words with you. Make sure you circle all of the ones that say said. Okay, the first word here is she. The. At. To. Said. At. Is. Said. The. To. Said. the sea. Did you find all of the times that said was there? Great job. All right. Next section is the read and find said. So let's read our sentences here. He said to read a lot of books. You're looking for the word said, and you're going to circle it. Good, let's read that sentence one more time. He said to read a lot of books. Next sentence. I like turtles, she said. Find the word said and circle it. I like turtles, she said. And your last section is to write a sentence using the word said. So pause your video and write your sentence. When you're done, press play. Oh, you guys are working super hard. I'm very proud. So the next page is a math one today. So we're going to write our name on the line where it says name right here at the top. Okay, so let's read our directions. Our directions say, write the number that is one more. So what I want you to do is for each one, we're going to draw one more, and then we're going to count and write the number. Okay, so let's look at number 1. Number 1 has 1, 2, 3 dots. So we're going to put one more. I'm going to use my pencil. One more, and we're going to write the total. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do the next one with you. 1, 2. Okay, so we need one more. Now I'm going to count them all together. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Let's do one more together. Draw my one more. Now I'm going to count how many in total in this box here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. So now you're going to finish all of these problems. Okay. If you think this is super duper easy and you don't need to draw one more, then that's fine. You can go like this. Oh, I see there are 4 there and one more is, oops, still erasing, sorry. Let's fix that one. I see that there are 4 here and I know one more is 5. If you do not need to add the one more in the picture like we did here, that's okay. You don't need to for this page. Sometimes I have you draw your work always, but for this one you don't need to. So, I want you to go ahead and complete this page, okay? You're telling me the number that is one more. So if we had number 5, one more would be 6. So go ahead and complete your math sprint. When you are done with all 3 pages, please take a picture, upload it on Portfolio, and I will grade it. Have a great day!